Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how to use Airtable for building a personal brand. First things first, you'll need to set up an account on Airtable. It's straightforward, just follow the directions on the site. Now, this is vital because Airtable will serve as the hub for your personal brand planning and implementation. Next up, create a new base and name it Personal Brand. Here's where the magic happens. This base will house all the necessary elements to establish your personal brand. From content planning, to contact management, to task tracking, all in one place. Once you've created your base, it's time to create your tables. Start with a content calendar table. This helps us because it gives you a clear overview of your content strategy and schedule. Now that we've done that, let's create a contacts table. This is where you'll keep track of all your networking contacts. It's vital because building a personal brand is as much about who you know as what you do. Next, you'll need a tasks table. This will be your to-do list for all tasks related to brand building. The reason we do this is to keep track of every small step on your journey. Finally, it's time to utilize Airtable's unique features. Add views, filters, and sorts to your tables to personalize your workspace. Let me explain why this matters. Customizing your workspace makes it easier for you to navigate, prioritize, and get things done. Before we wrap up, here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you use Airtable, you're not just organizing your personal brand, you're actively building it. Each entry, each task, each piece of content, all contribute to your brand's narrative. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Airtable for building a personal brand. Remember, this tool is flexible, so feel free to customize it to fit your brand's needs. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.